snowball's chance in hell you're leaving Friday at noon. Ain't f***ing happening. When he told me that we weren't making it, I had to ask him 3-4 times because like I really didn't think if he was just trying to give a buffer time or if he really truly didn't think that we were going to make it. And honestly, I didn't know. I didn't know if we were going to make it.
I am on my way down to Wisconsin Dells. Lawson and the rest of the team are also on the way down to Wisconsin Dells. However, we're going down for two different things. I'm on my way down for a softball tournament. They're going down for AutoCommotion, which is a truck show. AutoCommotion is basically a revamped version of AutoCommotion, which is probably one of the biggest car events in all of Wisconsin. That show, towards the last couple of years of it being a thing, lifted trucks kind of started to become the takeover. Just really cool vibes. You get to meet some really cool people from all over the state and even outside of the state that come. Specifically, the show that we're putting on is a lifted truck show. We're expecting a lot of trucks to be there. Lawson's truck is also supposed to be there. When I left today, it barely had axles underneath it, so I'm not sure where they're at on it, if he's gonna make it or not. Like I said, I'm heading down for softball. However, I'm going to be linking up with them at some point, and some of the guys don't know this yet. I want to see Lawson's truck fully done too, because he's been busting ass on it with Banker to get it all done, and I want to check it out.
Alrighty guys, we are on essentially our last leg. I mean, we're very close, not to being done, but to the deadline. So Thursday morning of the week of AutoCommotion, which is a local show here that we wanted to debut the truck at, I pick up my paint at about 7:45 in the morning. We unwrapped everything. We put the painted stuff in the sun to still bake because it was painted the previous night. Morimoto, headlight housings, brake calipers, PMF bars, boost bars grill. It's been a crazy morning. We got all day. Banker is dying. He feels like absolute crap. We're already off to a solid start. He's in there getting everything ready, and we're gonna let this stuff bake, start tossing the axles back together, get the lift kit in, and then see where the day takes us. But
fucking dad shrink is going on over here.
It's a show crunch. It's the normal show crunch. It sucks. But here we are. Ended up putting the powder stuff inside and really got to wrenching and putting everything back together.
Snapped it half a match. Bro, quit dragging me!
I thought we were making really good progress, honestly. I thought there was a solid chance that I could leave. Maybe if not noon, maybe 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It came down to axles, which we really needed help from Booby. So last night we accomplished pretty much everything except for like axles, drive shafts, pretty much the driveline system with all the gears and stuff. So that involved putting the like multi-layer custom grill from Boost Bars on and the paint to match Morimoto headlights, which was kind of cool because you can see it now. It really ties everything together. So that was super sick to see. We did some of the shocks in the rear. We did the 4-link bars. We put the McCoy's faceplate on, and then now today we got Brent. So Brent knows his shit, and he is going to help us out. He's done a lot of Dana 60 axles, and then once the gears are right, we can raise this up a little bit. The shocks can finally get put in. They just can't get put in right now because it's drooping too much. Really start to get the ball rolling here in a little bit. I can't get this off.
Whoa! Oh yeah, it's all over everything.
Everything starts to make sense once you actually like get hands-on and see someone do it. Because it was terrifying. When we started taking the shit apart, it was terrifying. Now once it's going back in, it's like, I'm like, all right, it's not that bad. It's still terrifying.
Lawson.
Yep.
I'm sorry.
What? All right, so bad news. Brent's currently on the phone. We might be missing a rear axle pinion seal. And the closest that we found so far is Monday. If we can't get our hands on that, that means no show this weekend. That means it cannot be done, which would be a massive bummer, especially the amount of hours and stuff that we put into this thing over the last couple days.
Sure, it's on its way. $11.
$11 could have either made it or ruined everything for us. The good thing you didn't turn your camera off because in a split second, You just got to save it.
Yeah.
Brett's a savior.
It's 11 a.m. That's hurdle number 1.
No, that's fine. I mean, over the last 2 days, for those 48 hours, we busted our ass. Alrighty guys, so I didn't quite catch a clip of us pulling the truck out. It was a shit show. We were running so late. We are on our way down to Wisconsin Dells for AutoCommotion and AutoMotion weekend. The truck drives fantastic. So overall, I'm extremely happy. Obviously 16 wides, I'm getting used to driving that. But we got about an hour left of our drive. We're gonna be there in a little bit. All right, good morning guys. After a very, very, very long night, we didn't get the truck up to our spot until like 2:30 after driving all the way from home. We're finally here. As you can see, the truck, this thing is absolutely filthy. It's been sitting in a shop for the last month, so very dusty. So we're gonna get it all shined up. It is currently 7:45. We have to be all parked by 9:30. So we're gonna get this thing washed. We're gonna get Lamer's truck washed, and we're gonna get Bailey's truck washed. And the spot's only like 4 minutes from here. So let's get everything washed up and go from there. Like I said, big weekend for bikes, trucks, cars, you name it. Pretty much everyone and anyone around the area comes to this. And we're on our way to the show. The amount of people that came up, checked the truck out, came to the booth, picked up merch, got entered for our giveaway. Just everything was absolutely unbelievable. And obviously, you guys know it, we love our subscribers, we love our followers. So that was super cool to meet a lot of people and talk truck stories, talk truck builds, and really inspire some of these younger guys to really get out there and start adding to their truck build. So it was super dope. The show was super cool.
All right, so I've been playing ball all morning. They've been getting set up for the show. At the show, Lawson should be here. His truck should hopefully be done, but I'm heading to the show now to meet up with them, kind of check out the show, see what's going on there, and we'll see what Lawson's truck looks like if he made it. Fingers crossed.
What's up, y'all? It's Lawson with Custom Offsets.
I'm Jeremy. This is High Rollers Truck Club.
We're out here at the AutoCommotion Southern Style Truck Show.
Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been could've started, but it's never late. Do it for my kids, yeah, let's set it straight. Do it for your kids, gotta set it straight. It's time to regulate. We need change now. We need solar, we need EV in the game now. Make it changes so the earth we know can stay around. Make it change cause we had no time for playing around. Let's quit the playing around. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green. New car goes zoom, but it's quiet. You can hear me come and think I'm lying. If I said I'm perfect, I'd be lying. I can say I'm perfect, but I'm trying. I'ma give my all till I'm dying. I'm the new Captain Planet, here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. I'm the new Captain Planet, here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green.
All right, show me your truck.
All right, so here it is.
Mud truck.
Obviously, 8-inch McGoys, fully two-tone to match. 2616 TIS 561s. Get yourself a set. And then we got the 38 15.5 R26 amp MTs. Ran amp MTs on my last truck, running them on this truck. I love amp MTs, always have.
Take a minute to look at this entire front end.
Yeah, it looks absolutely insane. My paint guy Tyler killed it with the tan over here on the cubes. We got the brown all the way around. The brown inserts, but still left the orange. That way we leave it you know, DOT approved. Banker busted his ass.
Hey, did you check on him?
I've messaged him.
Did he respond?
No, he might be dead. Boost Bars Grill looks absolutely insane. I wanted to keep it true to the King Ranch theme, two-tone all the way around. So I just went with a cool King Ranch. So we still have the rock lights, fog light cubes from Morimoto, 4 bangers. If you come to the back, obviously still the McGoys. We don't have the track bars because we ran out of time to get here. So when I get back, I gotta drill 12 holes into my frame. That's gonna be really fun. We converted my truck to an axle dump.
Oh, I forgot you did that. You should start it up. Yeah, that sounds good.
We got the full axle dump, looks really good. Obviously 24 rock lights, wheel lights. We got the PPE diff covers, which look absolutely insane. Full rebuild on the axles, which was a process and a half. Full painted drive shafts, two-tone everything.
How did it ride on the way here?
It's a 250, so it still rides like a 250, but rides 10 times better than when I had my leveling kit on. The shocks are great, the coils, the 4-link, everything's good. I'm really curious to see what it's gonna be like with the track bars, as far as like keeping the rear end like really solid. So super excited for that.
Beautiful day, no cloud in the sky. It's not raining for once. First AutoCommotion that it's never not.
And we get to give away a set of wheels. And shout out to everybody that stopped by to ask me about the truck and who has been following the build. I hope you guys really enjoy this episode. Like I said, it's always a good time when we build trucks at the shop, and really it all comes together. Like, this is what it's all about. I'm a what's next kind of guy. I always look to see what I can do next. You know, with my Silverado, I felt like it was at its peak, and that's why I got rid of it. Where this thing, absolutely in love. It's everything I could ever want, but we always look to see what's next. So I think for what's next, other than traveling to, I think, 8 or 9 shows around the country this year, we still have to dial in some other fitment stuff with like the brake shields. And then I'm really gonna dive into audio, I think. And then maybe get into some sort of performance stuff. That's for a later date. I think Banker wants to see this thing out of the shop and us just enjoy it for a little while before we start ripping into this thing anymore. This is my 2012 Ford F-250 King Ranch, sitting on an 8-inch lift, 26/16s, 38s, and much more.
Go and try your luck, test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up, got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that be poking out them jeans. I've been sparking up, like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up, it's the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up, they can't keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name. Pull up and and I'm swerving. If a try to holler, she gon' curve him. We came from under buzz like a Persian. We been staying in our lane, ain't no merging. Rapping like I'm turban. Yeah, these all square like Irvin. Yeah, we grew up in the hood, no Suburbans. If I say I need my money, then it's urgent. Yeah, they want me to quit. Yeah, they want me to shift. But as long as I'm alive, we gon' keep on making hits. While they steady shooting bricks, man, it's lit. Yeah, it's lit. Me and Dale back to back, and yeah, I'm dishing the assist. Yeah, they talk a lot of but we really with the lame. Always gonna be reaching for they hit, smoking like a clip. They can never catch me slipping. Every time your girl around, she be watch the way I'm dripping. Going try your luck, test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up, got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that be poking out them jeans. I've been sparking up, like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up, it's the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up, they can't keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name. I'm in flex mode with the best, though. That's a major key, that's a chess move. I'm your favorite G, I think it's best, yo. Stop with all the grilling, I'm on jet fuel. Taking off, clear the runway, now they cannot clip my wings. Yeah, they soft, they ain't homie, they ain't even on the scene.